Hey everyone, PJ here. The day after Thanksgiving, Black Friday, the biggest shopping day of the year in America. Massive sales, huge crowds, people lining up at 4 in the morning for discounts on TVs and laptops. But when you're working retail on Black Friday, or trying to shop, or just trying to understand why everyone's losing their minds over sales, how do you talk about crowds? How do you describe chaos? What do you say when someone asks about your Black Friday experience? Today, you're meeting Lily and Omar. Lily just survived her first Black Friday working at an electronics store. Omar braved the crowds to do some shopping. They're meeting up to share war stories. This is real conversation. Two people decompressing after a crazy day, complaining about crowds, comparing experiences. The kind of conversation happening in cafes and group chats all over America today. No formal vocabulary you'll never use, just practical English for describing chaos, crowds, and the madness of Black Friday. Let's hear how it goes.
I'm never doing that again.
That bad?
That bad?
That terrible. That awful.
Worse, I didn't know people could be so crazy.
I tried to warn you.
Warn.
Tell you beforehand. Give you a heads up.
You said it would be busy. You didn't say it would be insane.
Insane?
Crazy. Out of control.
Welcome to Black Friday.
The store opened at 5 a.m.
5? That's early?
People were already lined up at 3.
Lined up?
Standing in a line. Waiting to get in.
In the cold.
Yes, for 2 hours. Just to get a discount.
Discount.
Reduced price. Things on sale.
How big were the discounts?
Some things were 50% off.
50%.
Half price. But still, 2 hours in the cold?
People are serious about Black Friday.
Serious?
They really care. They take it very seriously.
Too seriously. Someone pushed me.
Pushed?
Shoved me. Used their body to move me out of the way.
Oh no, are you okay?
I'm fine. Just surprised.
People get aggressive on Black Friday.
Aggressive?
Pushy. Forceful. Willing to fight for deals.
Fight for deals.
Good prices. Bargains.
One woman grabbed a TV from someone else's cart.
No way.
Way.
What happened?
Security had to step in.
Step in.
Get involved. Intervene. They made her give it back.
That's wild.
Wild?
Crazy. Unbelievable.
The whole day was wild.
How crowded was it?
Crowded?
Full of people. Packed.
So crowded, I couldn't even move sometimes.
Shoulder to shoulder.
Shoulder to shoulder?
People pressed right against each other.
Yes, exactly that. No personal space.
Personal space?
Room around you. Distance from other people.
I hate when it's that crowded.
Me too. And it was loud.
People yelling?
Yelling, talking, kids crying. My ears hurt.
How long did it last?
Last?
Continue. How long was it busy?
All day. Until we close at 10 p.m.
10 p.m.? That's a long shift.
Shift?
Work period. Time you're working.
17 hours. With only 2 breaks.
That's exhausting.
Exhausting?
Makes you extremely tired.
I can barely stand.
Barely stand?
Almost can't stand. My feet are killing me.
Killing you?
Expression. Means hurting a lot. I was on my feet the whole time.
On your feet.
Standing, not sitting.
That's rough. Did you at least make good commission?
Commission?
Extra money from sales. Percentage of what you sell.
We don't get commission. Just my regular hourly pay.
That's not fair.
I know. All that work for the same money.
You should get extra for Black Friday.
I should, but I don't.
Did you get any breaks?
30 minutes for lunch. 15 minutes later.
That's not enough.
Not nearly enough.
Nearly?
Almost. Close to. What about you? Did you go shopping?
Yeah, I needed a new laptop.
Did you find one?
Eventually, but it took forever.
Forever?
A very long time. Felt like forever. The parking lot was packed.
Packed.
Full, no empty spaces.
How long did you look for parking?
20 minutes. I drove around and around.
Drove around?
Circled the parking lot, looking for a spot.
Did you find one?
Finally, way in the back.
Way in the back?
Very far away. At the edge.
That's annoying.
Then I had to wait in line to get in the store.
Wait in line.
Stand in a queue. They were controlling how many people entered.
Controlling?
Limiting. Only letting in a certain number. Because of fire safety, I think.
How long was the line?
Maybe 50 people.
Wow. And you waited?
15 minutes. Not too bad.
Better than 2 hours like the people at my store.
True. Once I got inside, it was chaos.
Chaos?
Disorder. Complete mess.
What do you mean?
Items everywhere. Nothing organized.
Organized?
Arranged neatly. In order. People had gone through everything. Shelves were empty.
Empty?
Nothing left. All sold out. The thing I wanted was sold out.
Sold out?
No more available. All gone.
Oh no, what did you do?
Asked an employee if they had more in the back.
In the back?
Storage room, where they keep extra inventory.
Inventory?
Products. Items to sell. Luckily, they found one.
Lucky.
Then I had to wait in line to check out.
Check out?
Pay. Go to the register.
How long was that line?
30 people. Took 45 minutes.
That's crazy.
I almost gave up and left.
Gave up?
Quit. Stop trying. But I really needed the laptop.
Was the discount worth it?
Worth it?
Good enough to justify the trouble.
I saved $200. So yeah.
200? That's a lot.
That's why people do this. The savings are real.
Savings?
Money you don't spend. What you save.
Did you see any fights?
Fights?
People arguing or physically fighting.
Almost. 2 guys were arguing over a TV.
What happened?
Security broke it up.
Broke it up?
Stopped it. Separated them.
People are so intense about this.
Intense?
Very serious. Extreme.
It's like a competition.
Competition.
Contest. Everyone wants to win.
Win what?
The best deals. The limited items.
Limited?
Not many available. Restricted quantity. Some deals are doorbuster deals.
Doorbuster?
Special items that are super cheap but very limited. Usually the first 20 people or something.
Oh, we had those. People fought over them.
I bet. That's the worst part of Black Friday.
The worst part for me was the rude customers.
Rude?
Not polite. Mean.
What did they do?
Yelled at me about prices. Demanded things we didn't have.
Demanded?
insisted, wanted something forcefully. One woman yelled at me for 20 minutes.
About what?
An item that was sold out, like I could magically make more appear.
Magically?
As if by magic. Impossibly.
That's not your fault.
I know, but she blamed me anyway.
Blamed you?
Said it was my fault. Held me responsible. My manager had to talk to her.
Manager?
Boss. Person in charge.
Did that help?
Eventually, she left. Finally.
I'm sorry you dealt with that.
It's okay. My coworkers were great. We supported each other.
Supported?
Helped. Encouraged each other. We're all going out tonight to decompress.
Decompress?
Relax after stress. Unwind.
That's a good idea.
Want to come?
Sure, I'm done shopping for the year.
Me too. No more Black Friday.
Until next year.
Don't remind me.
At least you survived your first one.
Barely.
Next year, you'll be prepared.
Prepared?
Ready. Knowing what to expect.
I'll wear better shoes.
Smart plan.
All right, Black Friday. American shopping tradition. The day after Thanksgiving. Massive sales, massive crowds, massive chaos. Key vocabulary from today. Black Friday. Biggest shopping day of the year. Day after Thanksgiving. Known for huge sales. Discount. Reduced price. Items on sale. Doorbuster. Super cheap item with limited quantity. Usually first come, first served. Sold out. No more available. All gone. Crowded, packed, full of people. No space. Line up, form a line. Queue. Check out. Pay for items. Go to the register. Deals. Good prices. Bargains. Savings. Money you don't spend. What you save by buying on sale. Chaos. Complete disorder. Messy situation. Worth it. Good enough to justify the effort or cost. Phrases you'll hear on Black Friday. Is this on sale? How much is the discount? Are there any left? It's sold out. The line is too long. I'm waiting for the sales. Is it worth the wait? Simple phrases for navigating shopping chaos. Black Friday started as one day but now extends through the whole weekend. Some stores start on Thanksgiving Thursday. Others run sales all week. It's basically a shopping marathon. Why do people do this? The deals are real. You can save hundreds of dollars on electronics, appliances, clothes. Some items are 50 to 70% off. That's significant. But the crowds are also real. Packed stores, long lines, parking nightmares, sold-out items. You're competing with thousands of other shoppers for limited deals. Is it worth it? Depends on what you need. If you're buying a big-ticket item like a TV or laptop, the savings matter. If you're just browsing, probably not worth the hassle. Your homework. Practice these phrases. How crowded is it? Was it worth the wait? Everything sold out. I'm exhausted from shopping. The line was so long. People were so pushy. Say them with the right emotion. Tired, frustrated, relieved. Also learn. Lots of stores now do online Black Friday sales. Same deals, no crowds. You can shop from home in your pajamas. Many people prefer this. Cyber Monday, the Monday after Thanksgiving, is specifically for online deals. If you work retail during Black Friday, prepare yourself. Wear comfortable shoes, bring snacks, mentally prepare for stress. The day will be long and difficult. Lean on your coworkers. You're all in it together. If you're shopping, have a plan. Know what you want, check prices beforehand, arrive early if you want doorbusters, or shop online to avoid crowds entirely. One more thing, not everyone participates in Black Friday. Many people avoid it completely. They hate the crowds, the commercialism, the stress. That's totally valid. You don't have to participate just because everyone else does. Some people use the day for a different tradition: hiking, movies, staying home, visiting family. Black Friday participation is optional. Thanks for being here. If this helped you survive or at least understand Black Friday, subscribe for more real-world English. See you next time.